Are your iMessage pictures disappearing? It's a common issue, but easily fixable. It's usually related to iCloud or message settings. Let's check these settings to ensure your iPhone has enough space for new photos in iMessages. Part 1. Why photos disappeared from iMessage. Running out of space, accidental deletions, service problems, iCloud server issues, other reasons. Part 2 to 10 Solutions to fix disappearing photos on iMessage. Solution 1. Check Keep Messages option. The iPhone lets you keep communication content for 30 days, 1 year, or indefinitely. To adjust, go to Settings, Messages, Message History. Scroll to Keep Messages and choose Forever. Solution 2. Change message settings. Go to Messages, Siri, and search. Turn on Show App in Search. Toggle Show Content in Search off and on again. Solution 3. Turn off Messages in iCloud and then back on. Open Settings, tap your name iCloud, apps using iCloud, show all. Find Messages, toggle off, use on this iPhone, select Disable and download Messages. Wait, toggle Use on this iPhone, back on. Solution 4. Check if you delete large attachments from iPhone storage. Open Settings, General, iPhone Storage. Tap Review Large Attachments. Deleted photos without a backup can't be recovered. Use a backup to restore them. Solution 5. Restart Messages app. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down to Messages. Turn off the Messages switch. Wait for a moment, and then turn it back on. Solution 6. Check iPhone and iCloud storage. Check your iCloud storage. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple ID at the top. Select iCloud. Tap on Manage Storage. Check your iPhone storage. Open Settings. Tap General. Select iPhone storage and review the available capacity. Solution 7. Reset your network settings. Open Settings, General, Reset. Reset network settings. Enter your passcode if prompted and confirm. Try accessing group photos and messages afterward. Solution 8. Update iPhone to the latest iOS version. Consider updating your phone to the latest iOS version. Newer releases often fix bugs and issues, potentially resolving iMessage picture disappearing problems. Solution 9. Check Settings. Open Settings and go to Messages. Find Messaging and ensure it is enabled. If it's disabled, please enable it. Solution 10. Contact Apple Support. While many issues can be resolved with the steps above, persistent photo display problems in iMessage may indicate deeper Apple ID or device issues. Contact Apple Support for assistance. Part 3. Best way to restore images disappeared from iMessage. If troubleshooting doesn't resolve iMessage photo loading issues, they may have been accidentally deleted. Use Mobican Doctor for iOS with iTunes Backup to recover them without restoring everything. Follow the steps below to recover disappearing photos from iMessage by using Doctor for iOS. Step 1. Choose Restore from iTunes Backup file. Step 2. Select SMS attachments. Step 3. Recover photos disappeared from iMessages. With Mobican, reclaiming lost iMessage photos is straightforward. Visit the link to learn more and start recovering today.